All right, so we got ants in the house. We got ant mounds all over the backyard. So I went out and got some Bifen. I'm gonna put that down as a granular on the front and backyard, the whole property. And then I'm gonna use this Bifen IT that I have. I'm gonna put that in my backpack sprayer, probably my new one, and figure out how much I need to put in there. Gonna go ahead and spray the whole yard, or I'm sorry, whatever. Broadcast the whole yard, and then in the sprayer I'm going to go ahead and do all the property structures and all the other spots, and then all the spots that actually have molehill, or not molehills. I'm so used to molehills. Wherever I see the ant stuff, saying I'm going to douse them, see what happens. Anyways, that's what's going on today at this moment. Yeah. Hope I'm doing this right. I don't know if I am or not. All right, so in previous posts and videos, you probably have seen it, but if you're new, here's the stuff I'm going to go ahead and put down. The Bifen PL Granular. Each one of these bags is 25 pounds. I have about 14,000 square feet in my yard that I'm going to use it on. So that comes out to be exactly, well, 15,000 if you do 3 bags at 75 at 5 pounds per thousand. So the front bag is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, can do 5,000 square feet. So that'll basically do my front yard. And then the 2 bags in the back will go in the back. Anyways, all right, just got done doing the front yard. Doesn't look that bad, obviously, because you can't really tell, but here's the spread. You can see all the white. She's got 50 pounds, ready to put down, heading that way. Just out here walking, A lot of yard, 14,000 square feet. In my opinion, a lot of yard. Yes, there are a lot of people out there that don't have bigger ones than I do. That's what she said. But yeah, it sucks because I didn't calibrate it correctly and I have to go across it twice. Hello, everybody. There she is. That's what I'll be using. $49 for this bad boy. It's fully charged. Actually, it's fully charged. Bam. Goes right in there. Charger. Here's the battery. I wish this thing had a thing where you could push it and see, kind of like I have on my big dogs. You can push the button and find out what it has. This one doesn't. That's all right though. Maybe I can get it upgraded from the 1.5 to something else. Unless it's proprietary crap or something. But we are good. Let's see if it works. Yeah, something I don't like about this thing, but it's really just minute. You have the battery in there. If you have the battery in there and you try to put this wand on here, it bends. It's like it can't bring it out enough, and you have to basically bend it for it to work. I know that's a small thing, but I might have to modify that. Plus, if I get a better wand, it's not going to bend as much. I'll just have to take this battery out every time I got to do it. Either way, see, if it was right here, you wouldn't have an issue. Anyways, fix it. All right, so one issue I have with this Bifen is not their fault, it's mine. I don't have the instructions from last year. But the best thing to do is go to domyown.com, and they have all the labels and all the SDSs for everything that they sell. I didn't buy it from there, that I don't remember. Might have been Amazon, but it's awesome because you can go in there anytime you want and just look for the thing that you have, and then they'll have all the information for it. And you can read the comments and all the stuff that they put in, and they make it very simple for like a do my own, for like thousands instead of acres. And here's stuff, and then you read the comments and the answers from them, and then you get best information ever. Anyways, that's where I'm about to go to get the information. I think it's 0.35 ounces per thousand that I looked up at work today, but I'm gonna verify it. Okay, so with that knowledge, it was right. It was like 0.33 for general, but since I actually have ants coming into the house at my mom's house, she found like 100 in her bathroom. I'm just gonna go ahead and just do the 1 gallon. It'll last me all winter up to like spring probably. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I have a ton of different things to use. I got that, this, and this. And I'm just going to use this. This has got my cups, ounces on there, so I can just take it up to 4 ounces. Go ahead and put it in this bad boy. Fill it up 4 gallons. 4 gallons, 1 ounce for each gallon. And then spray on that around the whole house and fill up it again. But it should just take one, since it said 1,000 square feet. I mean, 1,000 square feet's a lot, but I'm going to be doing the whole perimeter of the foundations and some of the trees and some of the stuff, so yeah. All the way up to 4. Ooh. Push it past the limit. 5, so I need to take some down. Now what's the gullet at? Now it's at 3. So just pour a little bloop. Perfect. A little more than I should. I'll dump this out. We have ourselves a, what is that? A teacup gill worth of Bifen. That's pretty funny. Filling it halfway up, or just about halfway up. Before I pour it in, I'm going to mix it a little bit, and then I'm going to fill it, keep up, all the way to 4 gallons. Well, since I don't have anything to mix it with, is put this on jet, so it'll slime it all around, just for a little bit. What's up? Who? What do you got? What are you talking about? I forget. Oh, pre-emergent? Yeah. You gotta go. No, man. I'll send you the place. It's Ewing. Hopefully I'm doing this right. Man, this battery pack thing is such a game changer that I have that other one and I might just give it away to somebody. Because I don't think I'll ever use anything but a battery packed one. That pumping while you're doing it, I'm battery all the way. This is so much better. I enjoy doing this at this point. When I'm pumping it, it just sucks. I'm pumping, I'm spraying, I'm pumping, I'm spraying. This, that's what she said. I'm just going in and I'm just spraying it. This is great. You know what this reminds me of? Hose and sprayers. Once I started getting into that hose and sprayer stuff and the things that you can just not have to work at it to do, game changer. I love it. I love it. Time to get spraying. Game changer. This is a damn game changer right here. Oh yeah. All right, 4 gallons does it exactly the amount I need. I literally got all the way around. I'll show you what all it did. Whole property, and then I did the whole foundation all the way around. Then I did all of the edges all the way around. Of course, all of this on her side, all of it. I did a perimeter around this thing. I did all around these. Went around the whole yard, and then I actually did the perimeter of this all the way around, 4 gallons, and I got it to go to right there. And I didn't have enough to do this part, but I had enough to do to get this, because this is what I really wanted to get, because there's insects and all that kind of stuff. So I got to here, all the way around, all up. So the only spot I don't have is from here to here. So that right there is gonna be their opening to come in. But when they come in, all this area is gonna be blocked. Basically, I got all the great limans in the world, Erlackers, LTs. They're all sitting there ready to just pounce and kill. Plus, to even get on the lawn, I got the granular on there. Check this out. Good spread, the whole yard, heavy. So now, if they try to get in at all, they're gonna die before they even get to where they're gonna die. They're all gonna die. All because of the wand and the granular. Backpack sprayer, can't say it enough. It is the best, one of the best things that I've gotten so far. If I would have had a backpack sprayer before I got the towable, I probably would have just stayed with the backpack sprayer. Maybe got 2 or some extra batteries, or something. But I'm so glad I got the pump, the towable, the battery pack, backpack. We're golden. I got 3 backpacks, and I'm probably only going to use them. I think on Sunday when I get back from my mini vacation weekend, our getaway weekend with the kids to the Renaissance Festival, what's a good thing to spray inside on all the perimeters and like all the rooms and the corners and all that? Let me know what you got. I've been striking gold lately. Man, one thing I'm excited about. A lot of things right now I've been excited about, because I'm actually starting to get quality products with quality stuff, and everything's working good. I'm gonna keep these glasses on. Towable, love it. Does the great work. I know exactly what I need to put down. 9 gallons will do the whole yard with whatever I need to put in there, unless it's like per gallon. I can put that amount in there with 9 gallons and it'll do everything. Chapin, 4 gallons. Will spray all the perimeter with whatever I need to spray it with. I am so happy right now. My lawn care is gonna get so much better now, and I honestly believe that. I honestly believe it's gonna get better. I push it to the limit, now I can push it even more. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this thing. Can you tell I'm excited? All right, time to clean. So I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and head inside, change clothes, shower real quick, and I'm gonna go out and get some food with the wife and the kids. Or actually my mom and the kids. The wife's gonna be cleaning before we go off for the weekend. Y'all have a good weekend, and yeah, keep pushing your lawn to the limit. Please just keep pushing your lawn to the limit. Yeah, pretty much it. Just keep pushing your lawn to the limit. That's the only thing I ask. Push it to the limit, baby. Hold on, I could do it right here, because I think it was right when I did it right here. Ready? It was like, push it to the limit.